Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to share with you guys a mini haul that my daughter and I did today. We stopped by Ulta and we stopped by Sephora to get a few things, and so I just wanted to share with you guys what we got today. Some of the things that I got are things that I just use all the time that I was replacing, and then of course while I'm there I'm always browsing, so you know I'll find something else that I really want to try out. So I'm just going to share those things with you guys today. Let's start with Ulta. So I am going to be traveling a lot this summer, and next week we are going to New Orleans, and then the week after that we are going to Pensacola. So I wanted to bring along some of my favorite shampoos so that I don't have to have complete bad hair days while I'm gone. Now my very favorite shampoo is this by Joico. This is like a moisture recovery shampoo. I absolutely love this shampoo. It makes my hair so soft and so silky. And I found at Ulta that they have the little travel sizes. Aren't those adorable? So I wanted to bring these along with me while I travel. So I picked up a few of these, as well as replacing one of my big bottles for my shower. But who likes to take all of this big bulky stuff with you while you're traveling? Also, since I was looking at the shampoos and conditioners, I found this by Joico. It is the Pearl Co-Wash. Now, I did not even know that this product actually existed until I was in Ulta today, so I'm just really interested in checking this out. It's called Whipped Cleansing Conditioner, and this is for curly hair. As you can obviously see, this disaster of hair that I have can really use some calming and conditioning. So let's read what this is supposed to do. This is a curl perfecting, sulfate-free cleansing conditioner. So you're supposed to dispense, emulsify, and apply to wet hair, leave in 5 minutes, and rinse. And I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to do, but it says cleansing conditioner. But my hair can use all of the conditioning that it can get, because it can be pretty and silky, but it can also be kind of coarse too. I've got like a really in-between kind of hair type. So I'm super excited to try this product out, and I'll let you guys know on social media how that goes and what I think about it. Next, I was out of my Urban Decay's All-Nighter Setting Spray. I really love this setting spray, and they have these cute little travel sizes that I always like to get to travel with, and I used my last drop this morning. This has new packaging than what they usually have though, so I thought that was super cute. It's like all beach-like. This setting spray makes my makeup last so well. This is one of my favorite summertime setting sprays that really just locks my makeup into place. This is made by a company called Scandinavia, and Scandinavia is known for their setting sprays that last through heat. In fact, they make a bridal setting spray that's made to lock that bridal makeup into place for your big day, so that when you're out there in the heat and the humidity, all of the time that you spent on your makeup for your big wedding day is not going to melt off. So I've always really loved their formula, and they make the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray also. Oh, I forgot, sticking with the hair theme, my favorite dry shampoo is by Philosophy. I usually get the Pure Grace dry shampoo, but they did not have that today, and I was kind of disappointed. But they did have a new scent out that I have not tried yet, and it's called Fresh Cream. This dry shampoo works so well. Every time I wear this dry shampoo, somebody asks me, what are you wearing? Like, your hair smells so good. Like, you can smell it when I walk by, even at the end of the day after having it on all day. And it makes my hair look fabulously clean and smell good. Now, this dry shampoo is pricey as far as dry shampoos go. It's like a $24 can of dry shampoo, which I know is insane, but I'm telling you, it's worth every penny. That being said, it's not a dry shampoo that I use every single day. I use Batiste or just, you know, some random brand if I don't really care what's happening with my hair. Maybe I'm going to work and I just want to put a little dry shampoo to make it look a little bit more presentable. I'm totally fine with using those other ones, like $3 can of Batiste that I get at Marshall's. But when I want my hair to look amazing and I want it to smell amazing, This is the dry shampoo that I go with. I am obsessed with this dry shampoo. I save it for special occasions, and then, you know, just when I want to feel pretty. So, also, I have been hearing so much hype about this Smashbox setting spray. I am such a sucker for setting sprays. I know this. This is the So Chill Coconut Primer, and it is like a photo finish primer. The packaging is super cute that it comes in, and it's always, everybody's got these beach themes for the summer, but I've been really interested in trying this, and this is what the bottle looks like. And I love coconut scent. Anything like tropical coconut scents are like right up my alley. So let's just see like how this sprays, like what kind of mist does this have? Ooh, it has a fine mist. Oh, it does smell like coconut. I'm really gonna like that. I love like a fine mist setting spray, so this doesn't leave like all those giant dots of water all over your face where you feel like you have to sit there and fan it and like don't move until this dries or your entire makeup look is gonna be messed up. Anyway, I think that I'm really going to like this, and I've heard such great things about it. Everybody that I've seen that has tried it and reviewed it has really loved it, and Smashbox in general is a great company, so I'm super excited to try that out. I got a Precisely My brow pencil from Benefit. This is just something that I use all the time to do my eyebrows with, that I was replacing because I was out. I go back and forth between this one and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use the color 3. It's a medium, and I think in the ABH Brow Wiz maybe is what that pencil is called. Don't quote me on that. I use like a medium brown. I really like these little skinny brow pencils because they are able to mimic hair strokes when you're drawing in your brows and just kind of filling everything in. And I really like also, I can get this out of the package, I'll show you that, they have the pencil on one end, and then they have a spoolie on the other end, which I really like because then you don't have to carry two tools. But these are so skinny little pencils that they make perfect little hair stroke brushes. I picked up some more Shape Tape because who doesn't love Shape Tape? I try a lot of concealers, and I like a lot of different ones, but this one is still my very favorite. I love Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Light in this. Sometimes even when I do use another concealer, I still end up putting a little bit of Shape Tape right in here. For me, it's just like my perfect concealer. It conceals all my dark circles. It does not crease under my eyes. It lasts an insanely long time when I'm working long 12-hour shifts at the hospital. Really, really love this concealer, and so I go through, you know, a lot of that, and I had been to the bottom of my tube, so I decided that it was time to get another. Also, while I was there, I got this cute little makeup bag from Benefit. This was a free gift that came with the purchases that I had. And then also this little Vice lipstick came. I don't even know what this looks like. It is in the color Bad Blood. So let's just open this and take a look and see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. So this is a red color, which is a little bit out of my comfort zone because typically I like a nude lipstick that is just going to go with everything, but you never know, maybe on vacation I would like to spice it up a little bit. Okay, so that is everything that we picked up at Ulta today. Now let's check out what we found at Sephora. So let me just tell you, I went into Sephora first of all just to get one thing. Yeah, we all know how that goes. So I went into Sephora to get my Sol de Janeiro body wash and Brazilian Bum Bum Cream in a kit, and they only had the Bum Bum Cream, and I really wanted the shower gel. So I ended up just ordering the shower gel online and having it shipped to my home, and that's what's kind of neat about Sephora. If they don't have a product there that you're looking for, you can always order it online and they ship it for free to your home, so that's pretty cool. But I really wanted that kit. I might look on Amazon or like Beautylish. I love Beautylish website. You can find so many great things there. So I did not get my lotion, but I still have a little bit left, so I'm not going to freak out, and I think I still have a couple of travel size ones to take with me because the carton that comes in is pretty bulky and I don't really want to pack it. But I have been seeing Beauty Blender had came out with this new sapphire colored Beauty Blender sponge, and You know, I am a Real Techniques girl. I love Real Techniques sponge. It is an amazing sponge. It's so soft and it grows huge when I get it wet. It feels great. It applies my makeup fantastic. And it is, get ready for this, $5. Yes, you heard me right, $5. Now let me see how much this cute little beauty blender has sent me back. And although it is adorable and it does grow pretty, and everybody that is filming right now is using this little blue sponge, so I just had to see like what all the hype was about. So let me just look here. Okay, Sapphire Beauty Sponge, $20. $20 beauty sponge. I mean, for $20, this thing had better apply my makeup like nobody's business. I mean, it better look fantastic. $20 sponge right here, beauty blender. Really pretty color though, right? So I'm really excited actually to try that out and see how it compares to my Real Techniques sponge, to see if I'm going to continue to just buy my little $5 sponge, or if I can't live without this $20 little beauty blender aid. Also, NARS. I love NARS. Their packaging is great. Their quality is great. I've always been a huge NARS fan, and they have, you know, their most popular color for their blush is their Orgasm color. Everybody wears that color. It is such a pretty soft pinky peach color that goes with any kind of color theme that you can possibly put on your face. Well, they started making other products in that same color because it was so popular, and they have this little lip gloss. Is it a lip gloss? What is this? Afterglow lip balm in that Orgasm color. Now, one of my friends had this at the hospital the other day and tried it on, and it was gorgeous. They had one left at Sephora today, and I was like, that's coming home with me. Get in my basket. So I really love it. It's just like that hint of color. It gives your lips this pretty sheen with that peachy pinky vibe that everybody has going on for the beach summer theme in all of their collections for the summer launches. I really, really like this lip balm. I tried it on at Sephora and I was like, yes, please, I need to have that. Also, something else that I got today while I was at Sephora that I just picked up because I was out and I use a lot. This is from a company called Tatcha, and it is a luminous dewy skin mist. I am in love with Tatcha's skincare. They have such an amazing quality skincare. Every product that I've ever used from Tatcha, I have been in love with. So this luminous dewy skin mist, this is something that I use actually to set my concealer with. I spray it on my beauty blender before I pat out my concealer. The thing with Shape Tape is if you use it if you use a water-based product on your sponge to blend out your Shape Tape, it's not going to blend as well. So I always try to use something else like a setting spray or something, but then it seems like it gets too crunchy underneath, or too creasy, I guess maybe I should say, not crunchy, creasy underneath my eyelids. So this Luminous Dewy Skin Mist by Tatcha is perfect to spray on my beauty sponge when I'm just patting out and blending in my concealer, because it gives it this soft focus look, and it's kind of dewy but kind of not, like a satin finish. Now, some people use this as a setting spray that have really dry skin, and it gives them this like dewy glow. My skin is like combination, and it's still a little bit too much on the oily side to do that. But blending out my concealer with this stuff, or like a Lila B luminous spray, is fantastic. The Lila B is kind of hard for me to find, so I always have to order online, but this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist I can pick up at pretty much any Sephora is going to have this spray. So I go through a lot of this actually. I went through probably 3 or 4 of these little tiny bottles, and you can buy a bigger bottle, but this one travels with me easier, and since I just use it to pat out concealer and maybe sometimes spray it on my sponge while I'm patting out my foundation if I want a little bit more luminous look, I don't really buy the big bottle. So I had gotten another Clarisonic brush for my face cleanser. This is a deep pore brush head, and I just pretty much picked this up because you're supposed to replace your brush heads every 3 months, and it's been about that on mine, and I don't want any bacteria building up on my brush that's going to get into my pores and cause my skin to freak out after all the work that I put into making it look fabulous. So while I was at Sephora checking out, I noticed that I had some points that I could use. So there was a couple things in the 100-point perk system that I thought, ooh, I really want to try this. These are a couple of skincare brands that I've been in love with forever. This is Sunday Riley, and it's a brightening enzyme water cream called Tidal. Let's see this camera focus on this. So I'm super excited to try that. And then there is a Drunk Elephant product that's called the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. And I love anything Drunk Elephant. Sign me up, please. Such a great skincare line. Anyway, that is it for today's haul at Sephora and Ulta. And let me know in the comments below what you guys have been hauling lately. If you have any thoughts or opinions on any of the products that I mentioned here today, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.